welcome back to the Manic Mommy channel. I am Manic Mommy, or you can call me Cassie. Either way works. Today we're unboxing the Yes Oh Yes October 2019 subscription. I have opened it, but this is the third package from my mail service, different subscription every time, that is like mangled and beat. So it wasn't even like fully attached. I don't want you guys to see that, but it wasn't even fully attached and closed for transit. So I don't know what happened. $15 a month subscription box, and you get I think 4 to 7 items, and they are all like name brand normal things. I'm taking everything out because it was so jam-packed tight in this little envelope that I just had to get them out because they were all coming out in one chunk because they were so neatly packed. They do not give you a description in your thing. They just say, yes, oh yes, October 2019. The moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes. Receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months upon notifying them by email. So if you have been with them, so this is my 3rd month with them, so I am actually going to have to let them know for the month of November that will be my 4th consecutive month, so I get my free item. But every 4 consecutive months, but you have to email them. And then this is 90% off retail, and it says a retail value of $104, and it says discover the goodness inside, yes oh yes. And obviously it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. For me, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And so I'll just start with the item that looks like a sample, and it is, let's see if I can get this to show up. It says it's the Mad Skincare Transforming Daily Moisturizer. It's anti-aging, and it says grape, space fruit, stem cell extract, Alp Rose stem cell extract, and tetrapeptide 7 and oligopeptide. Cleanse face, pat dry, apply transforming daily moisturizer to neck and face area, avoiding contact with eyes. There you go. That is the Mad Skincare. It says Maximum Active Dermaceuticals. I have never heard of this brand before, and this is definitely a sample-y size. It is sealed. Oh yeah, it's really, it kind of reminds me of Kiehl's products. That smell Kiehl's has, very herbally, smells really fresh, very herbally. I'll try it. I like that essential oil smell. Some people don't like that, so just so you know, it's very mild. It's not a heavy essential oil smell. It's very mild. Masquerade Blemish Boulevard. Okay, so Masquerade Anti-Blemish Clear Spot Patches. Oh, I've tried these before, and it says spotted, minimize, detoxify, and calm, and say bye-bye to blemishes. These are little patches. I've used these before, not this brand, but I get really bad cystic zits all along my hormonal range here. And so these come, how many? 1 sheet with 12 clear patches. So 12 patches on a sheet, and you just take one of the little circles and put it on one of your zits, and in the morning they're drained of all their nastiness usually. The ones I've used, I have purchased at Walmart. I can't even tell you the brand of them right now, but same kind of thing. I'm pretty excited to try this because I would like to try other brands of these things. I've only ever tried the one brand that they sell at Walmart, but that one comes a couple dollars for a thing. I don't know how much this one is because there's no prices, there's no nothing. Bling, it's acrylic glitter. Bella Pierre Cosmetics. So does that mean it's not safe for your face if it's, I mean, it looks pretty finely milled. The protective thing is still there, see, it's still, but that's really shiny. That is some serious glitter. I am gonna put this in the giveaway because I don't see myself using this at all, and I see my daughter stealing it, and we would have glitter everywhere. But I'm gonna put this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Bling Bling acrylic glitter. It's gold shiny glitter with some different hues in there for sure. Yeah, I'll put this in the giveaway for you guys. It looks like it says Sorme, S-O-R-M-E, and it looks like a lipstick. It's in the color Delicious. So let's get it out of its protective condom of packaging. And then, oh, okay, that's pretty. It's like a satiny, pinky color. I am wearing lip gloss from the Ipsy, but oh, that's a really pretty color. I'm not a huge fan of just mattes. I like a creamy lipstick. So this is in Delicious, made by Sorme, see that? I don't know. I approve. Cassie approves. I'm gonna hang on to that. 15 bucks, a good creamy lipstick. I get a matte lipstick and I'll give it to somebody. I'm not a big fan, and I don't like a lot of nudes that are brown. I'm not a brown lipstick fan. I don't know, but I just can't rock the browns. Took it out, so this is just the packaging, but it's Glam Light Miracle 12 Luxury Eyeshadows. It seems like we've been getting an eyeshadow palette with every Yes Oh Yes subscription box, which I really like. I like to play eyeshadow. I feel like today my eyeshadow, it's not doing it justice on the camera, but I used the Betty Boop palette from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and oh my goodness, that eyeshadow is bomb.com. Okay, so here it is, paper packaging, which is totally fine by me because it's better for our world. So it has a mirror on the inside, which makes me happy because then I can hold it up to my face like this and do my eyeshadow. Anybody else do that? Just me? Okay. It's got a good range of some mattes over here. So here's some mattes. That's a matte, and then there's a matte over here, and then those shimmers. That one's pretty. And whoa, those are, okay, let's just, whoa. That is the purple matte, and that is one swipe. So let's see what it does when we build it up. The glitter is because I accidentally dug into the wrong one. Look at that color. So that one is Fearless in this palette right here. It says Fearless. Ooh, I really like that. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is Fearless. That one is Angelic. So this is only me swatching 3 colors for you guys from that palette, but look at those. This palette, I'm really excited to try this. I've never heard of it. It's Glam Light Cosmetics. And there they are. And from what I have played with so far, I'm really liking. You want to see, Sassy? Do you want to come up here? Come here. Say hi. Hi. I think he likes my lipstick. This palette, and let's just sneak peek it again, just to show you guys kind of what we're working with here. I'm gonna play with that tomorrow morning. And then we've got Transforming Daily Moisturizer. Just know with this sample, I can see the line, and it's only about this full. Just so you know, this is not a full tube at all. You can feel how empty it is. I'll use it because I have really dry skin, but I don't know, that's not very much in there. I can feel it. I feel like those little tubs, you get more. But this one is going in the giveaway for you guys. It is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Glitter, and it's very gold. It's really pretty. It's not as yellow as it looks, I think, because it's almost picking up from my shirt, but it's more gold. And then we got, oh, I didn't even notice that. Look at the top. You can see the color through the lid, and it's got its little S. That's really cute. That's a good little detail there. And then this is the lipstick. I just got it on my nose. And it smells sweet, but not overly sweet like food. I don't like that normally, but this one's not bad at all. It's very subtle. And then zip patches, which as soon as I take this off, I'll slap these on. So check Snapchat, Instagram stories, because that's where you'll see those things of me trying these different things and talking about them. So I will put all my information up for you guys so you can go check it out. But like and subscribe, and be sure to say hi. I like when people say hi. It makes me feel like less of a loser on YouTube because people say hi to me. And those of you that comment, I see that. I love it. Thank you. I'm really happy that you guys are around and watching my videos. So watch me on social media. Check all my other handles and stuff because that's where I am a lot. So have a great day, and we'll see you later. And peace. Bye, guys.